Hi, Monmouth County Vocational. It is Miss Harmon here, Director of Curriculum, and I am here to just go over a few end of the year reminders as we prepare for the summer, get ready for the fall, and think about curriculum, assessment, and instruction. So the first item very quickly that I've been talking with the curriculum coaches about is just having some discussions with their department colleagues about the gaps that you see in your students' learning. I know you all had to prioritize your content, but I think it's a really great time to get a good feel for what learning gaps and skills gaps are evident so that we can work together to address them over the summer and in preparation for the fall. I'm not asking that we create an external assessment. I'm not asking that we give our students any final summative assessment. I'm saying that collectively bringing together our data from our formative assessments and taking a look at what needs need to be addressed as we move forward. And I think now is a great time to have discussions with our department colleagues across the district about what we are going to do or what we are doing over the summer and in the fall to address those gaps. So please be on the lookout for probably an email from your curriculum coach inviting you to attend a virtual discussion about those items. Number 2, grading procedures. As you know, we have changed the end of the year grading procedures, and we have changed the grading weights for our marking periods. So please be sure to change your Power School gradebook. If you need help with that, feel free to email me, give me a call, or you can check out this quick tutorial that I provided for you. Third item, many of you have reached out regarding curriculum revisions. What is the expectation for updating my curriculum? And I would say that, we are holding off right now. Curriculum updates will continue in the fall. If for any reason you want to get ahead of the game and you'd like to collaborate with your colleagues online, or you want to start updating your curriculum in Rubicon, please feel free to do so. You have the website, you have your user credentials. There's no reason why you shouldn't be doing it if you really want to get ahead of the game. But that is not something that I expect teachers to be working on, because right now we have to get ready for the fall and get our learning plans in place in case we will be starting remotely. For textbooks, if for any reason you need to get a brand new textbook ordered, it's imperative that it is board approved in June. So to get that textbook board approved, you need to fill out all of the approval forms, which can be found right here. They're linked. You need to fill out those forms, submit the forms with a sample text, and you need to give that to your building principal so he can sign off on it. And then I receive it, I will sign off on it, and then Dr. Ford approves it. And then it is approved at the board meeting in June, and then we can move forward with the purchase orders. Okay? Please know that we are offering professional development this summer online. So if there are any special topics you would like addressed, please email Ms. Labas. She will be taking care of all of our professional development needs. I think I would be doing everyone a disservice if I didn't let you know who actually was board approved in May to be our coaches and our district head nurse. So these are our curriculum coaches for the 2020-2021 school year, and Ms. Doc Condon will serve as the district head nurse again. Everyone has done a fabulous job, and I'm looking forward to having another great team in place when we start the school year. And just a couple items that I wanted to share with you. You can read these yourself, but I provided some awesome links for you. So check them out when you get a chance. And please keep doing the great work that you're doing. We really appreciate when you share your student successes on social media. I know that Megan, Chuck, and myself are very big Twitter fans. So please, if you want, tweet your successes, or you can always email us great pictures. We use them when we're speaking to the board, and we also share them when we're communicating our successes and writing press releases. So please share your successes. It means a lot. And finally, don't forget to check out the Curriculum Corner newsletter. It has some great highlights and some important information for summer professional development. Talks about our vision moving forward in relation to curriculum. And then also the curriculum website is a great website because it has so many awesome resources. So I update this website weekly. Okay. It has all of our coronavirus updates, newsletters. It has our preparedness plan, a lot of district information that's updated, our strategic plan, our district goals moving forward. All forms that you need are here. Anything related to curriculum is linked here. So a lot of great information at your fingertips. All right, so stay the course. Thank you for everything you're doing. I miss you. I miss your energy. I miss your fire, and I miss the kids. So, if during the last few weeks, when you're having class with your students, if you want to invite me or Megan in, we would love to stop by. Now is probably the best time that we can come by because we actually don't have to drive anywhere. So please invite us in. We miss you so much. If you have any questions about curriculum and assessment and professional development, again, we are here for you. And I look forward to seeing everyone in the fall. Take care and enjoy your summer.